This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, I recommend that you turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, touch and hold onto its icon. In order to turn it on, simply enable this toggle. And well, at this point, the feature more or less ready to be used, but there are quite a few other configurations that you can still make. For example, you can rename your device, set a custom alias for it. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility and change the restrictions for its visibility, or to put it in simpler terms, to whom it's visible and to whom it is not. Then you can also change the data type that will be used for the file transfer. And at this point, the nearby share function is all set up and ready to be used. In order to prove that to you, I will quickly try to send the screenshot through it. This one, let's say. So here is my OPPO device. Now I gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end. Wait for the file to get moved, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.